Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how can you delete FaceTime call history on iPhone. To delete FaceTime call history on iPhone, you could open the FaceTime app and swipe left on the call that you want to delete, then tap on the delete button. So what you have to do is if you want to delete individually FaceTime calls, then you want to open the FaceTime app on your iPhone. Then you'll see a list of recently FaceTime calls. Now all you need to do is just simply swipe left on the call that you want to delete. Tap on the delete to remove the call from your history. Similarly, if you want to delete multiple FaceTime call, then you want to open the FaceTime call once again. Do the same thing, just tap or just click on the edit button or just locate that. And you can now select the call that you want to delete by tapping the circle next to it. Tap on the green delete button at the bottom and that way you'll have successfully deleted FaceTime call history on iPhone. That is how you could do it, so I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.